Welcome to our VEX IQ sensors video focusing on the distance sensor. The distance sensor sends out ultrasonic sound waves and listens for them to bounce back from potential obstacles, allowing a robot to calculate distance and prevent collisions. The distance sensor is one of 5 VEX IQ sensors that has out-of-the-box default functionality. First, be sure firmware for the controller, smart sensors, and robot brain are updated. The brain firmware must be version 1.05 or higher. For initial testing of any VEX IQ sensor, we recommend using a simple starter robot, such as the robot base with the autopilot sensor mount as seen here. For assembly instructions and for details on updating firmware, please consult your kit documentation or the VEX IQ website. Now for the distance sensor default functionality exercise. Begin by taking your distance sensor, a few 1x1 connector pins, and attach the sensor firmly to the rear of the robot. Then use a smart cable to connect the distance sensor to any unused port in the brain. The brain will automatically recognize the sensor. Next, wake up your controller and your robot brain. Then choose the driver control program and run it. When you back up the robot towards an obstacle, the distance sensor will prevent you from running into that obstacle. You'll be able to drive forward, but not backward, once you are at that specified distance. This is just the beginning. Imagine what else can be done with this sensor using programming software. That's all for the distance sensor, but be sure to join us next time for more.